The skeletons of giants being found in Lovelock Cave in northern Nevada.
In a revelation that's shaking the scientific community, a cave sealed for millions of years has just been cracked open, unveiling findings that are nothing short of shocking. Picture this: scientists, flashlights in hand, delving into an expansive underground realm, their beams catching the glint of an ecosystem so alien, it's like peering into another world. The air is thick with wonder and disbelief as they uncover organisms that challenge our very understanding of life and the history of our planet. Stick around as we delve into the extraordinary and the unexpected, unraveling the mysteries and the jaw-dropping discoveries found in these ancient caverns. Number 1. The Unveils Cave. In 1986, the unveiling of Romania's Unveils Cave brought forth a wave of astonishment across the scientific community. Hidden behind its modest size and narrow, clay-coated passageways lay a treasure trove of nature's wonders, challenging our very understanding of life on Earth. For millions of years, this cave was a sealed vault, devoid of fresh air, fostering a toxic atmosphere within its confines. Yet against all odds, life didn't just survive, it thrived. Within this seemingly inhospitable environment, scientists uncovered a staggering 48 distinct species, a diverse assembly of spiders, scorpions, and centipedes. The real kicker? A whopping 33 of these species were exclusive residents of Unveils Cave. The survival of these organisms amidst the cave's poisonous milieu sparked deep reflections and inquiries among experts. The secret to their survival was a remarkable process called chemosynthesis, a kind of alchemy that transformed harmful gases into sustenance for bacteria, laying the foundation of the cave's food web. This intricate cycle of life, where smaller creatures feasted on bacteria and larger ones preyed on the smaller inhabitants, sculpted a self-sustaining ecosystem, a testament to life's incredible resilience. The origin of these creatures within the cave remains a tantalizing mystery, with theories suggesting that the bacteria have been thriving for over 5 million years and the animals might have infiltrated through an entrance that eventually sealed off. These revelations highlight the adaptability and evolution of life forms, even when faced with the most stringent of resources and environments, leaving scientists both baffled and fascinated. Number 2. Miniature coffins. Perched above Edinburgh's historic Old Town, Arthur's Seat isn't just a picturesque volcanic hill, it's a landmark steeped in history and mystery, captivating the imaginations of generations. Some lore even suggests it could be the site of King Arthur's legendary Camelot, blurring the lines between myth and reality. However, the most puzzling tale from this enigmatic hill unfolded in June 1836, when a group of boys out for a seemingly innocent rabbit hunting expedition made a discovery that continues to mystify the world. Hidden among slender slabs of slate on the hill's northeast slope were 17 miniature coffins, each meticulously crafted and housing tiny wooden figures dressed in finely tailored attire. The origin and purpose of these coffins remain an unsolved riddle, with 17 of them now displayed at the National Museum of Scotland, inviting speculation and intrigue. Some theories suggest they represent a form of honorific burial, but the identities of those represented by the figures remain unknown. Adding another layer to the mystery, a woman in 1906 recounted her father's encounters with a mysterious individual known as Mr. B, who had drawn images resembling the coffins and marked them with the years 1837, 1838, and 1840, years that coincided with the deaths of relatives. Rumors began to circulate. Were these coffins connected to German seafaring superstitions, or perhaps to the infamous murderers Burke and Hare, who took 17 lives in Edinburgh? Despite the myriad of theories, the 17 miniature coffins of Arthur's Seat continue to be a source of fascination and bewilderment, their origin and purpose standing as one of history's most enduring mysteries. The hill, once thought to be a gateway to Camelot, now serves as a gateway to a realm of wonder and speculation, where history, legend, and the unexplained converge to challenge the curiosity of all who delve into its secrets. As we unravel the tales of Arthur's Seat, we find ourselves navigating through a labyrinth of questions and possibilities. Could this hill hold the key to unlocking ancient myths? Or is it a canvas on which countless stories have been painted, each more intriguing than the last? The allure of Arthur's Seat lies in its ability to evoke a sense of wonder and ignite the imagination, leaving us pondering the mysteries it conceals and the stories it has yet to reveal. Number 3. The Cave of the Cannibals. In 2016, the dimly lit recesses of a Belgian cave became the canvas for a story of ancient horror, as a team of intrepid archaeologists unearthed a tableau of terror. Scattered and shattered human bones lay in silent testimony to a macabre tale of brutality, their marks revealing a savage touch. The bones, remnants of Neanderthals from 40 to 45,000 years ago, bore the scars of butchery, some cracked open for their marrow, others showing the skilled cuts separating flesh from bone. This grim discovery painted a chilling picture of our ancestors' lives, suggesting a level of cannibalism that was both perplexing and horrifying. The Neanderthals, once inhabitants of Belgium, seemed to have turned on their kind with a ferocity that left the modern-day explorers with more questions than answers. Was it a desperate hunger, a dark ritual, a primitive bloodlust, or a fight for survival that drove them to such sinister deeds? The shadows of time have shrouded the true motivations of these ancient people, leaving us to ponder the mysteries of our past. Were these acts a desperate attempt to stave off extinction, or were the Neanderthals caught in an inescapable spiral of violence? The cave's eerie silence offers no answers, only haunting questions about the nature of our ancient ancestors and the mysteries of our shared history. We invite you to share your thoughts and theories in the comments as we delve deeper into this ancient enigma. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. In a moment that sent ripples through the scientific community, researchers unveiled a cave that had been sealed off for millions of years, only to stumble upon a discovery that was nothing short of shocking. As they stepped into this untouched world and scrutinized its features, they were instantly captivated by the intricate carvings adorning the walls. This marked a pivotal revelation, as they found themselves face to face with the first known non-human species that buried their deceased members. These meticulously etched symbols above the graves opened a window into the extraordinary existence of Homo naledi, a species with a brain size about one-third that of modern humans, yet slightly larger than chimpanzees. The scientists were on the brink of deciphering symbols crafted by a species that walked the earth hundreds of thousands of years ago, expanding their understanding of this enigmatic species exponentially. While initial findings in 2013 had unveiled their physical anatomy: small heads, tall and slender bodies, their behavioral patterns remained a mystery due to their isolated habitat. However, within a mere 72 hours, the veil was lifted, revealing a culture rich in complexity and depth. The discovery of fire usage, intricate symbols, and chambers containing animal remains pointed toward ceremonial practices, transforming the researchers from mere anatomists to cultural anthropologists. Navigating through the cave's challenging 12-meter passages, some as narrow as a person's head, the team gained unprecedented insights, observing petroglyphs of an entirely different species for the first time in history. This groundbreaking research challenges long-held notions of human exceptionalism based solely on brain size. The accomplishments of Homo naledi underscore that our uniqueness isn't solely defined by our cognitive abilities, offering a fresh perspective on humanity's place in the natural world. This revelation invites contemplation and discussion. What are your thoughts on this groundbreaking discovery that reshapes our understanding of our ancient relatives and challenges our perceptions of what sets us apart in the natural world? Number 5. Hellfire Caves. Beneath the undulating landscapes of West Wickham, England, a concealed realm of shadows and secrets beckons the mysterious Hellfire Caves. Originating over 2 centuries ago, these subterranean mazes plunge approximately 300 feet beneath the surface, enveloped in a mystique that continues to allure adventurers. However, these aren't your ordinary caverns. They were meticulously sculpted for the clandestine Hellfire Club, a society far removed from the cliché of artists and poets, instead frequented by the influential personas of the era, including John Wilkes and the revered Benjamin Franklin. Within the dimly lit, candle-infused chambers of these caves, members of this exclusive club convened for covert assemblies. The air resonated with the echoes of inebriated toasts, secret meetings unfolded in the shadows, and mock rituals were performed, all shrouded in whispers of unimaginable acts, though tangible evidence remained scarce. The cave's obscure past is further entangled with tales of lingering apparitions, including the spectral figure of Suki, a bride ensnared by tragedy within these foreboding walls. Lured by a cruel prank, Suki's elation morphed into fury, leading to a fatal confrontation and her untimely end. Legend has it that even the club's initiator, Francis Dashwood, is reluctant to find eternal peace, his ghostly silhouette persistently wandering the shadowy corners of the Hellfire Caves. Eyewitnesses recount sightings of mysterious orbs of light and the distant whispers of unseen entities, adding an uncanny ambience to this underground domain. For those contemplating a descent into the Hellfire Caves, a word of caution: this realm is not for the faint-hearted, particularly for those with a profound apprehension of unearthly encounters. The Hellfire Caves, with their intricate history of secret societies, influential figures, and alleged supernatural occurrences, remain a source of fascination and speculation. The tales of unworldly apparitions and the enigmatic activities of the Hellfire Club members continue to fuel the imagination of explorers and enthusiasts alike, making the caves a compelling destination for those seeking a brush with the mysterious and the paranormal. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.